Guys, I think you're gonna have to do the rest of the movie without me.
Oh no, Missy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a mild case of Sniffly Snoffly Snoofly-itus.
Oh my. Well, be sure to rest up and drink plenty of fluids.
Okay, guys. Are we ready to blast off on space heroes working together to save the galaxy? Yay! Teamwork! Vamos! Let's get into our space uniforms. Perfecto! All of our uniforms are exactly alike.
Aw, you guys look so adorable!
Missy, we're all supposed to match.
Oh, okay. Ta-da! Ah! Gotcha. No lights.
Ahem. Missy, your tail?
Are the fireworks too much?
Missy, please just make yourself look exactly like everyone else and come join us.
It's no fun if I have to look like everyone else. Guys, I think you're gonna have to do the rest of the movie without me.
Oh no, Missy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a mild case of Sniffly Snoffly Snoofly-itus.
Oh my. Well, be sure to rest up and drink plenty of fluids.
Wow! Look at that alien green. I simply must have you as the star in my new sci-fi movie.
The star?
Come on, follow me! Zoom in tight. Closer, closer. I only want to see our star. Perfect.
Biko, are there any scenes where I get to wear flashy, fabulous clothes? Because I'm really good at that.
You can wear whatever you like. It's okay, the lasers aren't real. Well, except that.
Are we almost done?
Very almost. I'll be right back with more goo.
I'm feeling better, guys. Mind if I rejoin the team?
Of course. But everyone needs to be wearing the exact same thing.
I know.
Costume change!
Oh, wow! We look so adorable! Thanks, Peach.
Hey, we needed a bit of Missy magic.
And hit the goo!
Biko, you aren't even directing this movie!
True, I just love goo.
Huh? Finally, Boone's on the outside!
Something weird's happening with these filters.
Octopus brains.
Oh boy.
With 3 heads, I could wear 3 hats.
This This is amazing. I can't believe you've never built an app before, Ollie.
You know, I can't think of one single dog in this room who's a better app builder than you. Not one.
Oh, come on!
Nice angry face filter, Ollie.
I'll show them who's the best at building apps. Ollie! I mean, me!
Huh? What's this?
It's my new filter app. Now, I'm not saying it's better than Ollie's. Oh, wait, yes, I am! Bye!
Finally, Boone's on the outside.
Something weird's happening with these filters.
Octopus brains.
Oh boy.
Say cheese, Clyde! Big smile, Talib! Nice moves, Neddie. Who's the best at making apps? Ollie! I mean me! So, how do you like the new app? Uh-oh! I can fix this! No, I can't! I need Ollie's help! Ah!
Balloons! Harmless balloons!
Does this thing have a cactus filter? Aha! You gotta help me fix this app, Ollie!
Let's see. Yep, here's your problem. You've got it set to make real life.
Ollie, you saved us! You really are the— You're not taking this one! We're in love!
Ooh, the blizzard is letting up. Holiday party, here we come.
Welcome to the party.
We have to save the town.
And the party. Who's up for serious airtime?
Does that sled have a permit? And why aren't you decorating?
Save me!
At decent form, but delivery needs improvement. Where's the holiday cheer? It's almost time for the party, and the town is still a wreck.
If you're so good at everything, Wilbur, do it yourself.
I would, but you can't find a good me anywhere nowadays.
Step inside, dude. Your holiday wish is granted.
To clean up this town, I need a team of me. Wilburs, you heard the boss. Let's clean up this town. Yay, cleaning! Clean up, clean up.
Woo! Are you Wilburs ready to party? No parties! Too messy!
Okay, maybe this is a little too tidy. Wilburs, in the name of holiday cheer, ho ho, hold up and join the party.
Wilbur!
Crazy, but I love it. Time to party.
Happy holidays!
That went well.
Eek! Look at that audience! All come to see little old me in concert. All right, and you guys. Costumes, everyone! Backup dancers assemble! Hello?
Swiss cheese in the house! Everybody lose your minds!
What's all this? I thought you were gonna be my dancers.
I thought you were gonna be my dancers! Here, you need some cheese on your head.
I thought we were going for more of a Highland vibe.
No. Definitely classical. I'm Tuba, and this is my Tuma. Wait, no.
Well, we can't all be right. And seeing as I spoke first, I guess we're doing my idea.
No,
mine! No, my idea!
You're the best!
No,
It's the
mine!
best!
My idea was the best.
Enough! Let's each do our own thing and see which one the audience prefers. Although I don't think it'll be much of a contest.
Okay.
I guess.
Yes. That went well.
If by went well you mean was a total disaster, then yes.
I agree. We are much better as a team.
Guys, I think it's time we showed the world what it means to be a techno-classical Highland reggaeton supergroup! 1, 2, 3, 4!
Yeah, this is music.
boss's boss.
What?
And I order you to feed 100 fish.
But that'll take minutes longer! Minutes!
Peach, I want us to make 100 movies a day.
But Clyde, that's so much work.
So work hard. I work hard.
Yeesh. To make 100 movies, we'd need some sort of...
Magic movie-making machine? You put the actors in this end, it films a story in the middle, and movies pop out the other side. Watch.
Aww. Here's a new one? Hooray! I'm not gonna lie, Scooter. This is a pretty terrible movie.
True, but we made it so fast!
Agreed. Let's kick this thing into gear.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Okay, I'll leave.
Hooray!
The world is saved! Hooray!
Hooray!
Hey. Okay, that's 50 movies done.
Only 50? I said 100, mister.
But we're all so tired.
And I'm tired of your excuses. Come back.
Clyde, you need to take a good look at yourself. And I know how. I'm Mr. Boss, doing my one task for the day.
This guy, I like.
And I'm the boss's boss.
What?
And I order you to feed 100 fish.
But that'll take minutes longer! Minutes! See? It's not so fun being overworked.
This terrible movie really speaks to me. Everyone, it's time to pull the plug. And now to turn off the machine.
The big talent show's about to start. Has anyone seen Neddie the Yeti?
Come on, Wilbur. You know how shy Neddie is.
All right, Fiona, you're up first.
Sure thing, Wilbur. Just let me check my magic kit. Hey, come back!
Okay, bumpy start, but no problem, we can still pull this off. Trish, you're up.
Copy that, Wilbur. Go for yo-yos.
What is going on here?
Only one explanation. Ghost. There's no such thing as ghosts. Ghost! Uh-oh. Ta-da!
The talent show's a flop.
It isn't a ghost. It's Neddie the Yeti. waiting for us. Where did he go?
It was a dark and scary night, and then the Weregerbil approached the unsuspecting campers in the forest. Concealing itself by blending in with the trees, the rocks, and the shadow cast by the light of the fire. And then... the Weregerbil snatched their s'mores, gobbled them down, and... oh! Well, I'm tuckered. Sleep tight. Don't let the Weregerbils bite.
If I were a Weregerbil, I wouldn't be too scared to sleep.
Shh! Go to sleep!
Morning, everyone.
Weregerbil!
Weregerbil? What Weregerbil?
We should run!
Nap first.
Oh no! They're all too tired. I have to save them. Surf's up!
Oh, yeah, this is the life. Ooh, this is good.
Scooter! We are the Tooth Fairies. Come with us to the dentist, where a great destiny awaits you.
Sorry, don't do dentists.
Citizens! Today's movie takes place at the first ever sports day.
I love it! It's like we traveled back in time to ancient Greece!
We have? Oh, thank goodness. I had a huge math test today and I have not studied.
Vamos! Costumes, everyone! Our first contest is the tug of war between Scooter the Brave and Missy the Fierce.
Yay! Sports!
Ready, set, tug!
Scooter, are you okay?
Yeah, biting down on the rope just hurt for a second.
We should get you to the dentist.
Dentist? No, I don't need to go to the dentist. Let's just move on to another challenge.
Well, we've got apple bobbing, discus catching, and then there's the floss off.
Sure, let me just get something for my trailer. What am I gonna do? The whole movie's riding on me and I can't work a single scene.
Does he know his mic is still on?
I don't think so.
Gang, we gotta help Scooter.
But what can we do if he's terrified of the dentist?
Say no more, friends. I've got the perfect plan. Scooter! We are the Tooth Fairies. Come with us to the dentist, where a great destiny awaits you.
Sorry, don't do dentists.
Dentists, a hot new trend. You'll get bright shiny teeth, fun stickers, and a smile that could melt the heart of Zeus himself.
Quit it, guys. I'm not going.
Scooter, wait! You'll miss the Makina show! Da-da-da-da-da-da!
Maybe this movie would be better without me. Wow. What would Scooter the Brave do?
Excuse me, I've got an appointment with the dentist. Name, Scooter the Brave.
Yay, Scooter!
Scooter the Brave.
Everybody smile for their picture! This might take a while.
Yes! I'm late for the Carnival talent show! I'm not sure how I'll even get on stage with such a big audience. Uh-oh!
And for our next act, the amazing Carlo! The big Carnival talent show's already started? Has anyone seen Neddie the Yeti?
Maybe he's hiding in this delicious cotton candy.
Did you find him?
Find who now?
Come on, Wilbur. You know how shy Neddie is.
All right, Fiona, you're up. What was that?
It's like someone was in the ball pit.
Okay, bumpy start, but no problem, we can still pull this off. Trish, you're up.
Right on, Wilbur. Oh, man.
What is going on here?
There's only one logical explanation. Ghost!
Nia, Peggy Sue, hurry! It's time for the grand finale!
Oh, there's no such thing as ghosts.
My talent show! It is a ghost! challenge was a total flop.
Oh, what have I done? I have to fix this.
It isn't a ghost. Oh, it's Neddie the Yeti.
Hooray for Neddie!
Oh, where did he go?